In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause notifications in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Slack is a fantastic tool for collaboration, but sometimes those constant notifications can become a bit overwhelming, especially when you're trying to focus on important tasks. So let's dive right in and learn how to pause those notifications so you can have some uninterrupted time. First, let's open your profile menu. Look up at the very top right corner of your Slack interface. You should see your profile icon there, probably with your picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will open a drop-down menu, which is where we'll find the option to pause notifications. Now that you've clicked on your profile icon, let's move on to the next step, which is selecting Pause Notifications. From that drop-down menu, you'll see a variety of options. Don't worry, just hover your mouse over or click on Pause Notifications. This will bring up the submenu that allows you to choose how long you want to silence those notifications. All right, now we're on to the final step, which involves choosing a duration. You have a few different options here. You can select some preset intervals, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even until tomorrow. This is perfect if you just need a short break from all the noise. But if you need to concentrate for a longer period, you can set a custom time frame as well. Just click on the appropriate option, and you're all set. Once you've made your selection, Slack will immediately pause notifications for the duration you've chosen. It's that simple. You can focus on your tasks without the constant distraction of notifications popping up. If at any point you realize you need to lift the pause sooner than planned, don't worry. You can easily go back to your profile menu and select Resume Notifications to turn them back on. It's all about giving you control over your work environment. So to recap, open your profile menu by clicking your icon at the top right, select Pause Notifications, and then choose the duration that works best for you. This feature is super handy for making sure you can be productive without being interrupted, especially when you're working on tight deadlines or engaging in deep work. And that's a wrap on this quick tutorial. I hope you found these steps helpful in managing your Slack notifications. Remember, pausing those alerts can be a game changer when you really need to focus on what matters. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.